Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito sa binanggit ni ka-crypto na si Abeb. Sabi niya dito ay ito po yung bagong meme coin na tinatawag po nilang si Wall Street. Wall Street memes. WSM. Basahin po natin yung kanyang komento. Sabi niya rito ay meron daw lalabas na isang bagong meme coin at ito po yung tinatawag nilang Wall Street memes. WSM. Competition na naman. Isa na namang bagong meme coin na makikipagkompetensya sa mga una-unang nagsilabasang mga meme coins. Kaya parami na ng parami ang mga meme coins. Meron na ngang kumbaga habang dumarami ang mga meme coins ay mas lalong tumitindi talaga ang kompetisyon. Sabi niya dito ay alam mo naman na pag may bago ay naglilipatan ang ibang community. Totoo po yan. Yan po ang sinabi ni ka-crypto na si Abeb. Basta may bagong meme coin ay maraming mga naglilipatan. Pero yung iba naman ay nagda-diversification. Yung tawag po nilang diversification ay yung sinasabi nilang do not put all your eggs in one basket. Ilagay po natin. Kaya kung pag naka-invest po tayo dito kay Shiba Inu, pagkatapos ay may biglang lumabas na isang bagong maganda na meme coin, ay syempre lagyan natin. Wag po nating ililipat lahat. Wag po nating ililipat lahat ng investment natin dito kay Shiba Inu at ilalagay natin sa bagong labas na meme coin. Mag-diversification po tayo. Ikalat po natin. I-divide po natin. Hati-hatiin natin yung ating funds. Para safe po. Yan po yung ganyan po ang isang paraan. Ganyan po ang isang paraan para mag-manage ng risk. At sa video na ito ay atin pong aalamin, pag-uusapan kung ano nga ba ang Wall Street meme coin na ito. Kung isa nga ba itong magandang investment. Maasahan ba talaga ito? At hindi kaya ito isang scam? Legit kaya ito? At yan ang ating aalamin sa video na ito. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and informational purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ito po ang official website ng Wall Street Memes. Sa ngayon ay naka-presale po sila. Wall Street Memes presale ending and 2 days, 9 hours, 16 minutes. Last chance to buy before Tier 1 exchange listings final stage. 2 days na lamang ang natitira. Ilapit lamang natin. Lapit lamang po natin para malinaw nating nababasa yung mga detalye rito. WSM to launch on multiple Tier 1 exchanges. Malapit na po pala siyang mailabas sa mga multiple Tier 1 exchanges. 4 days na lamang ay malilista na ito. Kaya syempre, yung value na ngayon sa presale na ito ay nasa 1 WSM ay 0.0337. Kung pag malilista po ito ay syempre tataas ang value nito. Kaya yan po talaga yung kagandahan sa kapag nakabili tayo sa presale nito. Kaya last chance to buy. Pero bago natin gawin yan ay syempre basahin muna natin. Meron po silang white paper dito. Mababasa po natin yan. Pump it. Kailangan po na bago po tayo mag-invest dito ay basahin natin yung kanilang white paper. We meme business. We meme business. Ginawa yung we mean. Business. Ginawang we meme business. Yung community niya ay 1 million plus. Impressions per month ay 40 million plus. Unlimited. yung kanyang memes. Wow, ayan. Ba't nandito si Dodge? Ayan, Dogecoin. Wow. Even Elon loves our memes. Ayan, maging si Ginoong Elon Musk daw ay nagugustuhan yung memes na ito. Yan, si Wall Street Memes. Wall Street Memes brings you the long-awaited token for a vibrant community followed and engaged by even Elon Musk. Ayan. Nakatutok na rin daw ito. Tinututukan na rin daw ito ni Ginoong Elon Musk. Yan, WSM token. A little guy challenged Wall Street in the infamous GameStop fiasco of 2021, and the legacy of those brave Wall Street bets heroes endures until today. Born out of that moment is Wall Street memes, the ultimate expression of the internet's triumph over rampant capitalism. Greed is good, said Gordon Gekko in the 80s as he got rich off useless stocks. Ayan, around 30 years later, hundreds of arguably even more useless meme coins allow ordinary people to do the same. Ayan, dito po pala galing ang meme coin. Ayan, greed is good, sabi niya. Kung saan ay si Gordon Gekko ay siya ay yumaman dahil sa mga useless na stocks. Ayan, mga walang silbi na stocks. Ayan, kaya parang dito hango yung mga meme coins. May yumayaman sa mga useless na crypto, mga tokens. Yan. Parang ganyan po. Wall Street Memes is tokenizing the movement. Join the WSM Army today and prove that greed is indeed very good. Ayan, greed is very good. How to buy Wall Street meme tokens. Ayan, ito po kung paano raw tayo bumili ng Wall Street meme tokens. Yan. Send Ethereum or BNB to your wallet and ape and using your preferred chain. Use the pre-sale widget above to swap for WSM. Yan. Step 2, you can also buy WSM tokens with USDT via ERC20 or BEP chain. Use the USDT option and swap your desired amount. Number 3, prefer plastic? No problem. Have your own crypto wallet's address on hand and order WSM tokens using your bank card. Ayan, mga traditional, kung matagal na po tayo rito sa crypto, ay alam na po natin yan. Ayan, nandito na po tayo sa roadmap. We're laying the foundation in empowering our community every step of the way. Together, we'll show the world that Wall Street Memes is here to stay. Ayan, ito po yung kanilang roadmap. Phase 1 ay foundation. Ayan. Kanilang ilalabas. Ayan, yung kanilang foundation. Ito po yung pinaka-foundation ng Wall Street Memes. Smart contract development, community building, branding and marketing, merchandise and swag. Ayan. Phase 2, launch. Yan, token launch. Yan, partnerships, token listing, exchange listing awareness campaign. Yan, phase 3, gated community, market cap goal. Yan, tapos tier 1 centralized exchange listings. Yan, phase 3. Yan, hanggang phase 3 lang muna. Tokenomics, yan, yung 50% ay mapupunta sa marketing. Yan, laki po pala ng mapupunta sa kanilang marketing. 30% ay community rewards. Yung marketing ay ito po kasi yung parang pag-promote sa token na ito. Kaya napaka-importante po nito. Kaya malaki ang linagay dito na percentage. 50%. Community rewards ay 30%. Yan, yung centralized exchange liquidity 10%, decentralized exchange liquidity ay 10% naman. The launch of the WSM token will help sustain the growth of the Wall Street Memes community and reward loyal members. Ayan, WSM in the media. Ayan, may mga nagko-content na po ngayon. May mga nagpro-promote na kaya WSM ngayon. Ayan. Is this the next 100 times meme coin? Ayan. 50k WSM airdrop. Ayan, $50,000. Ayan, meron po pala silang airdrop dito na WSM na ayan, token na nagkakahalaga ng $50,000. We are giving away $50,000 worth of WSM tokens split between 5 lucky Dgens in a very generous Wall Street Memes airdrop. Enter below and make sure you're in it to win. Ayan. Ayan, para manalo. Ayan, subukan lamang natin. Ayan, baka mapala rin tayo or tayo ay isang maswerteng tao at isa tayo sa mga mabibigyan dito. Yan, ng hati dito sa 50,000 na airdrop nila. Yan, nandito po yung mga total interest nila ay nakaka 114,223 na sila. Yan, 69 days left. Yan, bago nila ilabas yung mga ayan, 7 ways to enter. Ayan. Ito yung 7 paraan para makasali sa airdrop na ito. Ayan, i-follow lamang natin yung kanilang Twitter. Ayan, tapos bisitahin yung kanilang website. Ayan, join Wall Street Memes on Telegram. Ayan, saka yung kanilang Telegram. Bisitahin natin yung kanilang Instagram. Submit proof of purchase. Yan, WSM na tayo ay nag-purchase ng WSM tokens. Buy WSM tokens. Join our Discord. Yan, 7 ways to enter. Yan, maski isa lamang po yata rito. Yan, maski isa lamang sa mga 7 yan, 7 ways na mag-enter dito. Hindi natin kailangan na gawin lahat ito. Yan, kaya kung wala talaga tayong mga social media ay ito yung pinaka mabilis na gawin natin. Visit our website. Yan, bisitahin natin yung kanilang website. Kaya yan, commonly asked questions about Wall Street. Yan. What are WSM tokens? Yan, WSM is an ERC token. Ayan, Ethereum, gumagamit po siya ng Ethereum blockchain. Ayan po, with a maximum supply of 2 billion. Ayan, 2 billion po yung kanyang maximum na circulating supply. Ayan, the token contract, ayan, ito po yung kanilang contract. Ayan. Please do not send any funds to this token contract address as they cannot be recovered. WSM can currently only be purchased through the official pre-sale. Ayan, yan po si WSM token. What is Wall Street Memes? Wall Street Memes is the tokenization of the retail movement against Wall Street orchestrated monopoly of financial markets. Yan. Yan po ang parang layunin ng Wall Street Memes. Yan. Ang tokenization ng retail movement yan, against sa Wall Street orchestrated yan, monopoly. Yan, monopolization ng financial markets. Yan, why the Wall Street meme? Why the Wall Street Memes token? Yan, bakit? Yan, bakit ang Wall Street Memes token? One of the biggest communities in crypto with some of the highest social engagement. The WSM token aims to legitimize loyal supporters of the movement. Yan, biggest community na rin. Isa na rin siya sa may malaki or maraming sumusuporta. Yan, na meme token. Yan, malamang ay isa nga siya sa bagong labas na meme coin na makakatapat ng mga sikat na meme coin natin ngayon na katulad nila Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, yan, sina Pepe. Ayan. When is the claim and launch of WSM? The claim period will start a number of days after the conclusion of the pre-sale. But the specific date and time to claim as well as the launch details will be announced on our websites and official social media platforms in due course. Yan. Pwede pong mag-claim yung token, WSM token na kanilang na iyong nabili dito sa pre-sale. Yan. Yan, ilalabas po nila kung kailan. I-announce naman po nila. How do I claim my WSM tokens? Claiming will be live on the Wall Street Memes website using the same wallet you used to contribute. Yan. WSM is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. Yan. Sa kanilang website po, pwedeng i-claim yung kanilang yung nabili na WSM tokens sa pre-sale. Dito sa pre-sale nila ngayon. Ayan. How do I contact support? Ayan, ito po yung kanilang kung nagkaroon po tayo ng issue, ay pwede po natin silang kontakin dito sa ayan, contact@wallst.memes.coin or join our Discord community. Ayan, scroll down, help and create a support ticket. Ayan. Ayan ang kanilang details dito para pero kung mas gusto talaga nating maintindihan ang Wall Street memes na ito or WSM token ay siguro mas kompleto yung laman ng kanilang white paper dito. Ayan, nandito lamang po yan. Yan po ang mas mahalaga po na basahin natin dito. Ayan. At ngayon ay maganda pa talaga na isang investment si Wall Street memes. Yan. Yan ang ating meron tayong isang content dito. Meron tayong isang ayan, sabi rito ay should I buy Wall Street memes coins? Ayan. Isa nga ba itong legit? Yan, isa nga ba itong magandang good investment? Ayan. Sabi dito ay having lunch on one of the most viral crypto pre-sales of 2023. Some commonly typed search queries now include should I buy Wall Street meme coins and Wall Street meme coins a good investment. Yan, yan po talaga yung pinakaunang tanong ng lahat. Yan, kung pag may bagong labas na isang meme coin. Yan, isa nga ba itong legit? Hindi kaya ito isang scam? Yan, maganda ba itong investment? Yan yung mga talagang nangungunang mga tanong pagdating sa mga bagong labas na meme coins. Helping to answer those questions, crypto analyst Satoshi Stacker this week uploaded a video for his 282,000 YouTube subscriber reviewing the new meme coin. Ayan, the YouTuber regularly spotlights new altcoin to buy as they can attract hype, and there are not large number of people holding at a loss waiting to sell into any pumps, as there are many of the altcoins that have been around for a while. Ayan, mga altcoins. Ayan, may isang YouTuber na ayan, nagpro-promote po dito ngayon kay Wall Street Memes. Ayan, sabi niya dito, ayan, isa nga ba itong magandang investment? Ay yan po, ating alamin yung kanyang masasabi rito. Sabi rito ni Satoshi Stacker ay did disclose that his video was sponsored by Wall Street Memes. Ayan, sponsored pala ng Wall Street. Ibig sabihin ay meron po siyang natanggap na bayad kay Wall Street Memes. Ayan, para i-promote si yan, WSM. Pero tayo po rito. Ayan, dito po sa Pinoy Crypto Trader ay wala po tayong sponsor. Yan, kawawa po tayo. Ayan. Sana naman ay ayan, may mag-sponsor na rin sa atin na kagaya ni Wall Street. Yan, siguro walang pumapansin kasi sa atin kasi ayan, isa lamang tayong maliit na community. Yan, kasi kay Satoshi Stacker ay ayan, biruin mo naman yung kanyang subscribers. Nasa 282,000. Yan, ganyan po talaga yung pinipili ng mga sponsors. Yan, kung maliit yung mga subscribers mo ay hindi ka po papansinin. Ay yan. Sana hindi siya bias dito kasi sponsored. However, the popular YouTuber has built up a strong reputation for his expertise in the crypto markets and is known for highlighting legitimate projects that have significant upside potential. Ayan, yan naman po pala ang maganda dito kay Satoshi Stacker. Yan, meron siyang isang maganda na reputasyon dahil sa kanyang expertise or kakayahan pagdating sa crypto markets, kung saan ay meron siyang kakayahan or magaling siya na mamili or mag-point out ng mga legit na mga projects or mga crypto at kung ito ay merong magandang potential. Kaya ayan po pala, meron naman po pala siyang magandang reputation. Ibig sabihin ay magaling po siya. He pointed out several key characteristics that work in the Wall Street meme coins projects favor. Ayan. Transparency, no team token allocation. Ayan, Satoshi compared that the new meme coin to similar project Wall Street Baby that it aims to improve upon. Ayan, kinumpara daw po ni Satoshi Stacker, ayan, ang Wall Street meme kay Wall Street Baby. Yan, Wall Street Baby or WSB saw crazy pumps around the beginning of the project, over 35,000%, but later faced issues as the large insider wallets dumped their holdings. That project also claimed to represent the Reddit Wall Street Bets community. Yan po yung nangyari kay Wall Street Baby. Maganda raw yung umpisa nito kasi nagpump ito ng over 35,000%. Pero nagkaroon ito ng issue nung yung mga large insider wallets ay dinampo nila yung kanilang mga holdings. Kaya parang ang labas ay pump and dump. WSM in contracts makes clear that it only draws inspiration from the Reddit sub and has no team tokens. A large part of its supply is dedicated to lack liquidity and community rewards. Yan naman po pala ang kapagkakaiba ni WSM, Wall Street Memes, kay Wall Street Baby. Ayan. Wala siyang no team. Ayan, at saka no team tokens. Lahat po ng kanyang supply, yung large part ng kanyang supply ay mapupunta po sa nakalak na liquidity at community rewards nito. Yan, 20% sa liquidity at yan yung rewards ng community ay 30%. Community and previous success launching new NFTs project. Yan, Satoshi Stacker also noted that the Wall Street meme teams have a track record of success launching projects dating back to 2021 and their gamified NFTs collection with the Wall Street Bulls. Yan, meron po palang magandang track record ang Wall Street memes. Yan. At marami po silang naging successful na mga projects na nag-umpisa pa nung taong 2021. Ayan, at meron yan kasama na dito yung kanilang gamified na NFT collections na ayan, tinawag nilang Wall Street Bulls. The NFT project sold out on OpenSea in 32 minutes. Ayan, napakaganda po yan. Isa po itong magandang achievements. Sa loob lamang ng 32 minutes ay nabenta nila yung kanilang mga NFT project dito kay OpenSea. One of the reasons for that NFT project success that also applies to Wall Street memes is the strength and size of the already existing community. Very few projects launch with a strong community that already loves the idea behind it. But that is exactly what Wall Street memes has. Ayan. Ang isa pang maganda dito kay Wall Street memes ay meron na daw itong malakas or strong community na sumusuporta dito. Ayan, yan po ang kagandahan dito kay Wall Street. Yan. Kasi yung community ay talagang kung meron itong talagang malakas na community ay maganda po talaga. Talagang lalago ito. Kaya yan, ito yung parang pinaka-foundation or pinaka-basis natin. Yan, kung bakit nakikita natin si Wall Street memes na ito ay magkakaroon ng success. Yan. The official Twitter handle promoting new meme coin WSM or Wall Street Memes has over 270,000 followers, and across all of the team's social media platforms, its community numbers over 1 million traders and crypto enthusiasts. Even Elon Musk has from time to time interacted with the project's main account, and the team bring in over 40 million impressions per month. Ayan, maging si Ginoong Elon Musk. Ayan. Siguro kilala naman po natin siguro dito si Ginoong Elon Musk kasi sikat na sikat po si Ginoong Elon Musk dito sa mundo ng cryptocurrency. Ayan po. Wall Street memes. Ayan, Federal Reserve now. After all, why not? Why shouldn't we print more money? Ayan. Tapos yan, meron pong response dito si Ginoong Elon Musk. Literally, yan po yung kanyang response. Yan, nagpapakita na siya ay nakikipag-interact. Ibig sabihin ay interesado nga siya dito kay Wall Street memes. Yan, crypto marketing research as well as its social media. Wall Street memes has shown a commitment to marketing, also adding its credibility and likelihood of being legit. Ayan. Maglalagay na rin sila ng kanilang commitment sa kanilang marketing. Ayan, nakita nga natin dito. Ayan, yung kanilang tokenomics. Yan, check natin yung kaniyang tokenomics. 50% yung ilalaan nila sa kanilang marketing. Yan. Kaya talagang ibig sabihin ay po-promote talaga, seryoso sila sa pagpo-promote dito kay Wall Street Memes. The project has invested in sponsored promotional coverage on the top crypto media outlets such as Cointelegraph and BN Crypto, as well as in the fintech media including Yahoo Finance. Another of the largest crypto YouTubers, Joe Paris, also reviewed Wall Street's memes in a sponsored video. Like Satoshi Stacker, Paris is known for carefully researching legit projects to give his attention and endorsement to. Yan, view Paris video in this next 100 times meme coin. Honest review of Wall Street memes. Yan, ganyan po talaga. Lahat po talaga ng mga YouTuber ay talagang kung magpo-promote sila ng isang crypto ay talagang i-research muna nila ito ng mabuti kung legit ba ito o hindi. Ayan, kasi yung mga viewers po nila ay kawawa naman kung pag yung kanilang prino-promote ay isa palang scam na project. Kaya yan, rini-research na yan. Isa na rin daw po dito si Joe Pari na nag-review yan kay Wall Street Memes. Yan. Isa ba siyang sponsored yan, hindi ko ayan, sabi nga sponsored na rin siya ng Wall Street Memes. Yan. Sana tayo rin dito ay magkaroon ng sponsor. Ayan, long-term utility. The project also offers staking an incentive to hold with over 50% APY and running a 50k airdrop set to be shared by 5 holders. Ayan, 5 holders po. Ayan ang mabibigyan ng airdrop na ito. Ayan. Kaya swerte po yung mga yan. Learn how to take part in that airdrop on wallsteammemes.com or WSM is close to wrapping up its pre-sale. Ayan. Long-term utility. Summary. Ayan. Wall Street. Ayan. Legit nga ba siya? By gaining the endorsement of large crypto YouTubers such as Satoshi Stacker, Joe Paris, Michael Robel, and others, and having been featured on long list of crypto news sites, Wall Street Memes has put a significant amount of time into earning its legitimacy. Ayan, talagang nagbigay or naglaan ng oras si Wall Street Memes para magkaroon ito ng legit na reputation. Yan. Project that intend to rug pull or scam investors really invest heavily into marketing as Wall Street meme coins has. Yan nga. Yung mga karamihan daw kasi sa mga projects na nagrarag pull or nag-i-scam sa kanilang mga investors ay bihira ang mga ito na mag-invest ng malaki para i-market ang kanilang projects. Yan, na hindi tulad ni Wall Street Meme. WSM is currently the top-rated new crypto project in CoinSniper.net, which collates the latest audited legitimate projects. Ayan, nasa top-rated niya. Top-rated na new crypto. Yan, dito kay CoinSniper.net. Yan, si WSM. Yan, all Wall Street Memes. As the site notes, Solid Proof carried out an audit of the WSM smart contracts which it passed. Ayan. Yung nag-check po or nag-audit po sa smart contract ni WSM ay ang Solid Proof. Ayan. At ito naman ay pasado. The WSM pre-sale ends on September 25 at 6 p.m. UTC with a multiple Tier 1 crypto exchange listing then taking place on September 27. The team has teased that 5 of the top 15 exchanges on CoinMarketCap's rankings will be listing WSM. If accurate, would signal that Wall Street Memes is legit as the top exchanges vet which contains they list. Ayan, maganda po yan. Kung yung top 15 daw na mga exchanges kay CoinMarketCap ay ililista, yan si WSM or Wall Street Memes. Yan, maganda po yan. Satoshi Stacker notes that could benefit the new meme coins growth as not many projects are seeing immediate tier 1 listings these days. Ayan, bihira po talaga yan na mangyari na yung isang bagong token ay malilista kaagad sa mga tier 1 na mga exchanges. Ayan. Talagang ililista lamang po talaga nila ang isang bagong token kung talagang tiwala sila. Tiwala o talagang ayan, meron talaga silang tiwala rito. Kaya ililista ito ng mga exchanges. Kaya ayan, masasabi ko po rito kay Wall Street Memes ay yan, meron naman po siyang magandang reputation. Ayan, at meron na rin po siyang solid na community. Kaya ayan, masasabi ko ay mukhang maganda nga siyang isang investment. Ayan. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay paki-click lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Paki-click na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.